Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm going to be unboxing my iPhone. I ended up getting this yesterday. I just took it out of the brown box and it came around like 1:30 p.m. Little dilemma, I didn't open it up or unbox it yet because I don't have a case for it. It was supposed to ship between the 13th and 29th of October. So I was supposed to get it like at the end of October, but then like the day before yesterday it said it shipped. And then it came in one day, so I was not prepared. I wanted to have like a screen protector and a case to show you guys during this video, but I'm just gonna have to do another video on like some phone cases or something. So I'm just gonna open and unbox the phone for today. I did end up getting the 15 Pro Max in the natural titanium. This color is super popular, and to be honest, I wasn't sure when I first got it. I thought maybe like I should get the white one, but then I was like, that's so basic. I always get white. And so when I ordered it, I was unsure, but then I went to the Apple store and I saw it in person and it was so pretty. So like, I'm really excited now because I think it's just gorgeous. I love the gray tone and it has like a little bit of like a goldish hue to it. So yeah, I'm gonna go right ahead and open this up and unbox it for you guys. So I'm going to start with peeling it. And then I'm going to go ahead and peel this side. There we go. Now I'm going to open it up and show you guys what the new iPhone looks like. Ooh, this looks so good in person. Honestly, at first I thought it was just like a gray, like metallic phone, which it kind of looks like it would be like that, but I promise you guys, if you see this phone in person, it's so much prettier. And I love like this like grayish glass color that it has here. I wanted to downside and get the iPhone 15 Pro because I wanted to have like a little bit of a smaller phone, but I didn't want to miss out on having the 5x zoom and the battery life of this one. So I just stuck with this one for now, and I'm going to try it out. I have 14 days, so I want to see how I like it. I did notice the last time I did the unboxing, I think it was still a plastic on the front, but I think they're trying to be more efficient and more friendly, environmental friendly. So yeah, this has like a paper now, so I'm going to go ahead and peel this off. That's so satisfying. I don't have a screen protector for it yet. I think I'm going to use my iPhone 13 Pro Max screen protector until I get mine in the mail. I ordered some from Amazon. If you guys want to see the ones that I use, they're called Super Shields. I've been using the same one on my phones. So yeah, that's the one that I've been using for a while, but it does have this new button right here. This used to be the button for like to silence your phone, to turn the ringer on and off. But now they have this new haptic button and you can scroll through and see all like the different shortcuts that you can put on here. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. And while that's turning on, I'm gonna show you guys what comes in the box. I think it's usually just the same standard things. The only difference is I think around the 11, they stopped adding the little charger in here, which is good and bad. If it's someone that has a new iPhone, I mean, you know, they need like a little cube. But the small cubes they were putting in here, I feel like it wasn't enough to charge a phone quickly enough. So I used to use my iPad one. So yeah, I feel like it was like to the point where it was a waste. So I'm kind of glad they did that. But I feel like you still have to purchase like a cube. I thankfully have one from my iPad that's USB-C, so I'm going to be using that one. I also have one for my Apple Watch. But yeah, these are just little instructions. Here comes the sticker that always comes in here. I'm glad they still add these because I love the little Apple stickers. And I'm just going to put this back in here. And then this year, I don't know if they started this last year or this year, but it's now a braided cable, which I can appreciate that because I feel like all my plastic ones kind of get messed up in the same area here. I think I'm still going to put a protection cord and little these little rubber things around this just to make sure it doesn't like bend or get damaged. But I can appreciate the fact that it's a braided cord now. I think this is so genius, and I love the fact that the phones are now USB-C because everything I have is USB-C. My MacBook, my iPad. I use USB-C charger for my Apple Watch, so this is perfect. I can like just use the same plugs now for all my devices. The only thing, I still have the AirPod Pros in the model that's for lightning cable, so I'll probably just use my lightning cables just for that. But yeah, I like this new braided cable. This feels so nice. This doesn't feel like a stiff braided cable either. It's like, it's pretty cool. All right, I'm gonna put this stuff aside and I'm just gonna turn on my phone. I'm probably not gonna completely set it up because, let's see, we'll keep that the same. All right, I'm not gonna completely set it up. It's showing all like my personal info and stuff, but I'm probably gonna do another video showing you guys some of the features or just show you like me using it for the day or whatever. But this is the new iPhone 15 Pro Max. It does feel a lot lighter compared to my 13. That's one of the reasons why I wanted to get a smaller size, because of the weight of my phone. I just feel like it's always like so heavy. I am gonna try it out with a case, and if I feel like it's still a little heavy, I might downsize and go with the Pro. But I definitely don't want to like downgrade when it comes to like any camera or battery life, like camera features or anything like that. So I don't know, I might end up just keeping this one. I did see someone's video showing like some mock-ups of like a pink iPhone Pro Max. Please, Apple, give us a pink iPhone or something like a little different in color, because this year I think the only difference was the natural titanium and the blue, and then we just had black and white. I feel like the iPhone 15s came out with such beautiful colors. The pink one, everyone's going crazy over that one. That one is so cute. If they could do that for the Pro, I definitely would upgrade right away and get that, because I don't know, I just feel like there's never really a color difference. They did come out with like a purple one last year, but it was so dark, it looked kind of like a midnight purple, like almost like black. So yeah, Apple, please come out with some lighter phones for us Pro users. But aside from that, I do love the phone. I love how it feels on the back, that it's matte, and the new titanium border is really nice. I think this time around I'm gonna get some covers for my lenses, like the cute little covers that come in different colors or like little rhinestones. I'm not really like a bling person, so I might get one that matches the phone or the case. But I'm definitely gonna do another video showing you guys which cases I ended up getting, and maybe I'll just do that next time. I'll just put the screen protector on and the case and everything like that. I just was not prepared. This phone literally shipped out of nowhere in like a day. So yeah, like I said, I didn't know it was gonna come in that fast. I expected it to be like a whole month still. So I'm sorry if this video is a little short, but I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing on the new iPhone 15 Pro Max. I'm really glad I got this color, the natural titanium. It's so pretty and I'm obsessed with it. But yeah, if you guys have any videos you want to see on the new iPhone 15 Pro Max, just comment down below and I'll try to get those up for you guys. I want to try to do some new content using this iPhone, so let me know some ideas on what I can do. But I'm gonna let you guys go. I'm probably gonna go shopping, like get ready and go shopping to go find like some iPhone cases. I'm probably gonna do some content on that. If you guys want to follow me on TikTok and check that out, I'll have my TikTok link down below. But I hope you guys have a nice weekend, and let me know if you guys are upgrading to the new iPhone or what phone you have currently. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye.